Hey everyone, welcome to Mindflows. In this brief guide, we'll walk you through how to make the most out of our help section on Monday.com. Let's get started. The help section is your go-to resource for all things Monday.com, conveniently located right within the platform. You can access it by clicking the help icon or question mark at the top right of your Monday.com account. Once you're in the help section, you'll find a user-friendly search bar, allowing you to type in any question or topic you need assistance with. By clicking Getting Started, all video tutorial for basic walkthrough on Monday.com will appear. With the help of these videos, it guides you through the process of creating new boards, adding columns, creating automations, and communicating with a team member on Monday. Explore popular topics such as the plan and pricing, automations, integration, and others by clicking any of the subjects here. You may also find relevant topics by exploring the knowledge base. You can often find answers to your questions or solutions to your problems without having to reach out to support staff, which can save you time and resources. And here is the community of Monday.com users like you where can seek help and support from both the platform's official representatives and fellow users. Community members can ask questions, share their challenges, and receive answers and solutions from a supportive user base. This peer-to-peer support can be particularly helpful for troubleshooting issues and sharing best practices. By clicking Academy, you may enroll yourself to any of courses Monday.com offers for you to become an expert. And by clicking the API documentation, you'll be redirected to the technical documentation about using the API and how it works for integration. Monitor the status of Monday.com platform through the service status. You will see the operational status as well as the other key features and services. But what if you can't find the answer you're looking for? No worries. You can always reach out to our support team. Click the Contact Support button, and you can send your question directly to our dedicated team of experts. They'll get back to you as soon as possible, ensuring you have all the assistance you need. The Monday.com help section is designed to be your trusty sidekick, helping you make the most out of your work operating system. Thanks to the help section, users like you can confidently navigate Monday.com and complete their tasks efficiently. Follow us for more Monday.com tips. We're Mindflows, a certified Monday.com partner.